CIS Academy. A silent war brews in the lush hills of northeast India. जी हाँ, where borders are blurred, fences are missing, and the night hides more than just darkness. Now, what is the context here? So, let me show you the headlines. East Khasi Hills imposes 2-month night curfew along Indo-Bangla border for Bangladeshi held. Ji haan, this is the context. On 6th of May 2025, 4 Bangladeshi nationals were caught slipping through the shadows, triggering a dramatic lockdown in one of the India's most sensitive border regions. Now, an entire district near Indo-Bangladesh frontier is under sweeping night curfew. But why now? What is really happening along the Indo-Bangla border? And could this be the beginning of something much bigger? So in this video, we dive into the heart of East Khasi Hills, uncover the truth behind the sudden curfew, and decode the hidden networks of smuggling and infiltration, and also explore what India must do to protect its sovereignty without losing the trust of its own border communities. So stay with us, because what happens here could redraw the regional security dynamics and shockwaves across South Asia. So what is the context here? अब इसका context क्या है? What happened recently? So the East Khasi Hill district in Meghalaya, which borders Bangladesh, has imposed a night curfew for 2 months in the areas that are within 5 kilometers of the India-Bangladesh international borders. सवाल ये उठता है, when and what time is the curfew? This curfew starts immediately from the date of the order, from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. every day. रात में 8 बजे से सुबह 6 बजे तक every day. And it will remain in force for 2 months. Now, why is the curfew imposed? सवाल क्या है यहां पर? रीजन पूछा जा रहा है कि कर्फ्यू क्यों लगाया गया, क्या रीजन हो सकता है? There are various reasons. Because of illegal infiltration and cross border activities. अभी recently बांग्लादेशी nationals पकड़े गए, and recent arrest of 4 Bangladeshi nationals by BSF. Now, there are other important things also. There are concerns about the movement of unwanted elements. Militant groups भी आ सकते हैं, smugglers भी आ सकते हैं इससे. Clear? अब ये ऑर्डर किसने दिए? कर्फ्यू के ऑर्डर किसने दिए? So who gave the order? As you can see here, district magistrate RM Karba. जी हाँ, she is the district magistrate RM Karba who issued the curfew order. Now what is banned under the order? अब इस कर्फ्यू ऑर्डर में क्या क्या चीजें बैन है? So let me tell you, people crossing border into or from Bangladesh, unauthorized gatherings of 5 or more people, these things are banned. Carrying the weapons or dangerous items like stick, rods, stones, these things are banned. Then illegal activities like smuggling. Smuggling किस चीज की? Cattle smuggling हो गया, contraband goods, betel nut, betel leaves की स्मगलिंग होती है, ड्राई फिश की स्मगलिंग होती है, बीड़ी की, सिगरेट, चाय पत्ती, टी लीव्स, all these things, the smuggling of these items are banned. अब सवाल क्या उठ रहा है? Why is it important now? अभी ही क्यों ये important है ना? तो टाइमलाइन बहुत जरूरी है. The border areas are unfenced, which makes infiltration easier. And authorities, they fear that anti-national elements and armed insurgents, they may enter India at night. और जैसे कि पकड़े भी गए 4 Bangladeshi nationals. So the situation in Bangladesh is currently tense, making illegal movement more likely because of tense situation in Bangladesh. This is the reason. And if it is not stopped, then such activities could disturb the peace and security in the district Khasi Hill, East Khasi Hill. Even in the state Meghalaya and other states of northeastern India, also country. Now what happened on May 6th, है ना? तो अब May 6 को क्या हुआ? BSF बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स मेघालय फ्रंटियर 50th बटालियन, अब इन्होंने क्या किया? Now BSF 50th battalion acting on the intelligence and they caught 4 बांग्लादेशी nationals. इन्होंने 4 बांग्लादेशी nationals को पकड़ा. They were trying to illegally cross the border into India. अब ये बांग्लादेशी nationals कहां से हैं? They were from Mimeng Singh, Gazipur and Nagaon district in Bangladesh. As you can see here, Mimeng Singh, Gazipur, है ना, and Nagaon district of Bangladesh. These Bangladeshi nationals are from these districts of Bangladesh. Now, the same time, they were handed over to the Mahendraganj police station, that is southwest Garo Hills, Meghalaya. समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये पूरी घटना हुई. नाउ बीएसएफ का रोल क्या है? बीएसएफ रिमेन्स अलर्ट एंड बीएसएफ ensures high security at Indo-Bangladesh border to protect the nation from northeast. अब एक चीज ये समझना होगा, how to secure the borders of India, है ना? कैसे हम हमारे ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर्स को सिक्योर करें? So to effectively address the issues, है ना, which is highlighted in the East Khasi Hill curfew order, so India should take multi-pronged approach which helps India with respect to combining security, diplomacy, development and community engagement also. So what are the measures that India should take during this period? First of all, India को क्या करना चाहिए? India should strengthen its border infrastructure. That is very important. अब आप देख सकते हैं ये फेंसिंग को काट कर आ जाते हैं अंदर लोग, है ना? So India should strengthen border infrastructure. So first of all, India should speed up border fencing in vulnerable areas like East Khasi Hills, है ना? Then India should install high resolution night vision cameras, motion sensors and drone surveillance. India should improve road and communication connectivity for quicker BSF movement. Then apart from this, what are the other measures? Enhance intelligence and coordination. Enhance intelligence and coordination. Now enhance intelligence and coordination. Now अब इसमें किस पर फोकस करना चाहिए? लोकल इंटेलिजेंस. So India should strengthen the local intelligence network involving the police, villagers and BSF also. Then India should improve the coordination between BSF, Meghalaya police as well as central agencies. Then we should also strengthen the human int means human intelligence and tech based surveillance to track the smuggling routes and illegal crossings. Then apart from this, engage बांग्लादेश डिप्लोमेटिकली. अब बांग्लादेश को हमें डिप्लोमेटिकली एंगेज करने की जरूरत है. कैसे, है ना? समझिए. India should raise concerns with Bangladesh about illegal migration and smuggling. Then India should also push for joint border patrolling and better coordination between BSF and BGB, that is Border Guard of Bangladesh. समझ में आ रहा है? Then both the countries should share the intelligence on militant movements as well as criminal networks. Apart from this, सबसे जरूरी चीज है टैकल दी रूट कॉजेज. रूट कॉजेज क्या है? उनको आपको टैकल करना पड़ेगा. अब हाउ टू टैकल दी रूट कॉजेज? लॉन्च डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स इन बॉर्डर विलेजेस टू रिड्यूस द लोकल इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन स्मगलिंग. Then promote legal trade channels for the items like betel nut, dry fish and tea to discourage the illegal trade. Then provide livelihood, है ना? Provide livelihood support to the vulnerable communities on both sides of the border. Apart from this, another measure that both the countries should take, community participation and awareness. जी हाँ. Now, community participation and awareness. Now, how community participation and awareness? Set up the village defense committees and community watch groups. Launch the awareness campaigns about the dangers of aiding illegal immigrants or smugglers. Use civil society organizations so that they can build trust between the border communities and security forces. Apart from this, legal and policy measures can also be taken. Legal and policy measures. How legal and policy measures? Strictly implement the laws on foreigners, smuggling, and arms. Then speed up deportation procedures for illegal migrants through proper legal channels. Apart from this, armed border management, or you can say create new or amend the border management policies to reflect changing ground realities. Apart from this, monitor the political and security situation in Bangladesh. That is also very important. Bangladesh की political situation कैसी है उसको भी monitor करो. Clear? Keep a close watch on the political instability, refugee risk, then militant activity in Bangladesh. And be prepared for sudden influxes and create emergency protocols for managing refugees while safeguarding the national security. So all these steps can help India manage its sensitive border with Bangladesh more effectively, ensuring security without alienating the local population. Local population को बिल्कुल भी alienate नहीं करना है. समझ में आ रहा है? That should be there. क्योंकि लोकल कम्युनिटी का पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत जरूरी है बॉर्डर्स को मैनेज करने के लिए. So what we see unfolding in East Khasi Hill is not just a local law and order issue. It is a ticking time bomb at the edge of South Asia where borders mean more than the lines on a map. So they are the battlegrounds of survival, trade, identity and geopolitics now. The night curfew may be temporary. ये night curfew temporary हो सकता है, but the real test is long term. Now the question is in front of you. Can India secure its border without building walls between its own people? Can diplomacy and development outpace smugglers and insurgent groups? So this is not just India's challenge. It is a story that echoes across every fragile border in the world, from the US-Mexico fencing to the rivers dividing Eastern Europe. And if you found the story eye-opening, then like, share and subscribe, and also comment your thoughts. Let's bring global attention to this forgotten front line. Subscribe now, Legacy IAS Academy, because in every hidden headlines, there is a bigger story waiting to be told, and we are here to tell it. Thank you so much.